time and place. C-H-R-O-N, chron, means time. T-E-M-P, temp, means time. L-O-C, loc, means place. Chronological, arranged in the order of time that the events occurred or took place. History and social studies textbooks are organized in chronological order. Chronically, to occur in a habitual, repeated, or long-standing manner. I loved visiting my grandpa, but unfortunately, he chronically smoked, and I felt like I could never get a breath of fresh air. Chronicle, a description of events in the order that they happened. I read a soldier's chronicle of his experiences fighting in the Civil War. Maybe you've heard of the Spiderwick Chronicles, told in the order in which they happened. Chronograph, a device like a stopwatch that is used for measuring and recording time in a very exact way. They used a chronograph to record the runner's times to 1/100th of a second. Temporary, occurring for a limited amount of time, not permanent. Even though I knew the pain was temporary, I would eventually go away. It would eventually go away. I dreaded going to the dentist for my root canal. We've all seen this sign a lot. It means it's only closed for a little while and will reopen. Contemporary, happening or beginning now, or in recent times. My dad does not like to listen to the contemporary music of today. In homes, there is contemporary or modern homes, and there's traditional homes. Location, L-O-C, means place. A place or location or position. We want to find a location for the party that is easy for everyone to get to. Local, relating to or occurring in a particular area, city, or town. The vegetables at the farmer's market are very fresh since they come from local growers and are not shipped from across the country. To support local business means you go to the little small stores instead of going to giant Walmarts and Targets. You go to the local store owned by people that may live down the street from you. Allocate, L-O-C, to place. To divide and give out something for a special reason or to particular people, companies, or groups. This man is allocating money for each of the things in his budget. Our teacher will allocate one set of colored pencils to each table group. Dislocate, L-O-C, means place, and dis, we know, is like the opposite or not. To force someone or something to move from a place or position. He was afraid he might dislocate his shoulder if he continued with the wrestling match. This shows the shoulder joint dislocated. This should be seated in here. So the bone has become dislocated. And that is all. If you need to look at just the PowerPoint while you're working, click the link.